Welcome to Tech Tether. Orbi outdoor satellite not connecting.
Place your satellite in an area near your Orbi router. Connect your satellite to a power source. The power LED on the back of your Orbi satellite lights. If the power LED does this not light, press the power on/off button. Wait for the bottom light LED to light white. Press the sync button on the back of your satellite, and within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the back of your Orbi router. Wait for the satellite to sync with the router. The bottom light LED on the satellite lights white while it attempts to sync with your Orbi router. It might take about 6 minutes for your satellite to sync. After the bottom light LED lights white, it lights one of the following colors for about 3 minutes and then turns off. Blue. Your Orbi router and satellite successfully synced, and the connection between the router and satellite is good. Amber. Your Orbi router and satellite successfully synced, and the connection between the router and satellite is fair. Consider moving the satellite closer to the router. Magenta. Your Orbi router and satellite failed to sync. Move the satellite closer to the router and try again. Move your satellite outdoors and connect it to a power source. Make sure that the bottom light LED lights blue to indicate a good connection to the router.
Thanks for watching.